Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Mr. English lesson. My name is Oliver.
And my name is Emma. Hi, everyone.
Today, we will learn 20 animal words in English. Yes, 20.
Wow, 20 animals? That sounds fun.
Yes, Emma. And we will learn with our cartoon animal vocabulary poster. Imagine a big, colorful poster. It shows cute cartoon animals.
Like a picture for kids?
Yes, very fun and easy. You can learn English and smile. Dog. Let's start with our first animal, dog. Can you say dog, Emma?
Dog.
Good, dog. A dog says woof woof. Dogs are friendly. Dogs like to run.
I like dogs. They're cute.
Yes. Now you, listening, can you say dog? Pause. Great. Cat. Next animal, cat.
Cat.
Very good. A cat says meow. Cats like to sleep. Cats like milk.
My friend has a cat. Her cat is white.
Nice, white cat. Listeners, can you say cat? Pause. Perfect. Horse. Number 3, horse.
Horse.
Yes, a horse says neigh. Horses run fast. People ride horses.
I want to ride a horse one day.
That sounds fun. Now everyone say horse. Pause. Well done. Cow. Next one, cow.
Cow.
Good. A cow says moo. Cows give milk.
Milk comes from cows.
Yes, that's right. Now repeat cow. Pause. Nice work. Pig. Animal number 5, pig.
Pig.
Good. A pig says oink oink. Pigs are pink. Pigs like mud.
Pigs look funny.
Yes, they do. Say pig. Pause. Great. Goat. Next, goat.
Goat.
Yes. A goat says ma, ma. Goats eat grass.
I saw a goat on a farm.
Nice. Say goat. Pause. Well done. Sheep. Now, sheep.
Sheep.
Very good. A sheep says ba. Sheep have wool. Wool makes clothes.
Soft wool.
Yes. Repeat after me, sheep. Pause. Good job. Lion. Next, lion.
Lion.
Excellent. A lion says roar. Lions are strong. Lions live in Africa.
I saw a lion in a cartoon.
Cartoon lions are funny. Say lion. Pause. Very good. Tiger. Now, tiger.
Tiger.
Good. A tiger has orange and black stripes. Tigers are big cats.
Tigers look scary.
Yes, a little. Say tiger. Pause. Perfect. Bear. Next, bear.
Bear.
Great. A bear says grrr. Bears eat honey and fish.
Like Winnie the Pooh.
Exactly. Say bear. Pause. Good work. Monkey. Animal number 11, monkey.
Monkey.
Nice. A monkey says ooh ooh ah ah. Monkeys climb trees.
Monkeys make me laugh.
They are funny animals. Say monkey. Pause. Well done. Elephant. Now, elephant.
Elephant.
Yes. An elephant is big. It has a long trunk. It says trumpet.
Elephants are so big.
Yes, they are huge. Say elephant. Pause. Very good. Rabbit. Next, rabbit.
Rabbit.
Good. A rabbit hops. Rabbits eat carrots.
Rabbits are cute and soft.
Yes. Say rabbit. Pause. Nice work. Snake. Now, snake.
Snake.
Yes. A snake says s. Snakes are long. Some snakes are dangerous.
I am a little scared of snakes.
That's okay. Say snake. Pause. Good. Frog. Next animal, frog.
Frog.
Good. A frog says ribbit, ribbit. Frogs jump. Frogs live near water.
Green frogs are cute.
Yes, green frogs are nice. Say frog. Pause. Great. Chicken. Animal 16, chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. A chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens lay eggs.
I eat eggs every morning.
Me too. Say chicken. Pause. Perfect. Duck. Next one, duck.
Duck.
Good. A duck says quack, quack, quack. Ducks swim in water.
Ducks are funny when they walk.
Yes, they waddle. Say duck. Pause. Nice job. Fish. Now, fish.
Fish.
Good. Fish live in water. Fish can be small or big.
I like goldfish.
Goldfish are cute. Say fish. Pause. Great. Whale. Next, whale.
Whale.
Very good. A whale is very, very big. Whales live in the ocean.
Blue whales are the biggest.
Yes. Say whale. Pause. Excellent. Dolphin. Last animal, dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yes. A dolphin lives in the sea. Dolphins are smart. They jump and play.
I love dolphins.
Me too. Say dolphin. Pause. Wonderful. Practice time. Now, Emma, let's play a little game. I will say a sound. You tell me the animal.
Okay.
Woof woof.
Dog.
Good. Meow.
Cat.
Neigh.
Horse.
Moo.
Cow.
Oink oink.
Pig.
Perfect, Emma. Now let's do one more round for our listeners. Everyone say the animals with us. Ma, ma.
Goat.
Ba, ba.
Sheep.
Roar.
Lion.
Grr.
Bear.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Frog.
Quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Nice. You're learning fast. Quick review. Let's review all 20 animals together. Say them slowly with us.
Ready?
Dog,
Cat.
horse,
Quack.
cow,
Pig.
goat,
Sheep.
lion,
Tiger.
bear,
Monkey.
elephant,
Rabbit.
snake,
Frog.
chicken,
Duck.
fish,
Whale.
dolphin, efsinent. Now let's make short sentences with some animals. Ready, Emma?
Yes.
I will tell you a sentence with an animal, and you will repeat it after me. The dog runs.
The dog runs.
The cat sleeps.
The cat sleeps.
The cow gives milk.
The cow gives milk.
The lion is strong.
The lion is strong.
Me elephant is big.
The elephant is big.
The fish swims.
The fish swims.
The monkey climbs.
The monkey climbs.
The frog jumps.
The frog jumps.
Very nice. Short, easy, and fun. Closing talk. Emma, you did great today. You learned 20 new words.
Yes, I learned many animals. Dog, cat, cow, monkey, so many.
You did very well. And you, listener, you did great too. Practice these words again tomorrow.
You can look at a cartoon animal poster and say the words.
That's a good idea.